Organizing your data into tables allows you to easily format, sort, or apply filters to data. In this video, you will explore how to create a table in Microsoft Excel. In my worksheet below, I would like to insert a table. To do this, I'll first select the cell range I would like the table to be placed. So I'll select cell B2 down to H15, right? Once the cell range is selected, at the top left of the Tools ribbon, click on the Insert tab. And in the Tables toolset on the left of the ribbon, you will find the Table button. I'll click this. A Create Table dialog box then opens with a text field where the selected cell range has been entered in. So you can confirm if this is correct. And then below this is the option to include headers in your table. I would like a header row added, so I'll check the box next to this option, then click the OK button at the bottom. The selected cell range is now formatted as a table, and the table displays with headers. Once you've inserted the table, in the Tools ribbon, you'll be automatically brought to the Table Design tab. From this tab, you'll be able to modify the table styles as well as change the selected table styles options. Note also that each column header in my table has a drop-down button on the right of it. Click this and a menu displays with options to sort or filter the table data. I'm going to click Away to close this. You can also create a table using a keyboard shortcut. For example, I'll select cell range J2 to N16, then I'll press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T on my keyboard, and the Create Table window once again opens and it displays the selected cell range in the text field. Again, at the bottom is the option to include the headers in the table or not. I'll check the box to the left of this option, then click the OK button. The selected cell range now displays in table format along with column headers. And again, on the Tools ribbon, the Table Design tab displays. You have the option to delete your table if you wish. One way to delete a table is to select the cell range that the table is located in. So I'll select the cell range of the first table I created. Once done, I can press the delete key on my keyboard, and the table has now been removed from my worksheet. Another way to remove a table is from the shortcut menu. I'll select the cell range my second table is located in. Right-click over the table to open the shortcut menu. From here, you can hover over the option Delete. A side menu appears to the right with the options to delete the table columns or table rows. I'll select the option Table Columns, and the table has now been removed from my worksheet. With this tutorial, I trust you now understand how to create a table in Microsoft Excel.